We use mouses every day. Most of them are pretty much the same thing. Unlike any other mouses you find in the market, Jim here is using a brand new concept mouse. Introducing LKKER's new design, the next generation foldable, wireless, and touchwheel mouse. Besides actual feature functions, the folding makes the mouse enjoyable to hold, helps you to concentrate while thinking hard, and reduce pressure. Jim takes it anywhere he goes. With its folding feature, you can easily turn it into a Bluetooth laser pointer. Plus, to play and pause a video clip when needed. You can do anything with this amazing and accurate 4D wheel control, no matter it is to copy, paste, adjust position of your graphs, or simply flipping through pages. Flipping pages can sometimes be a lot of extra work, especially when reading an ebook in wintertime. That certainly is not a problem for Jim. Thanks to the LKKER mouse, now it's a page flipper. With its 4D wheel, the accurate navigation works perfectly on your tablet as well. No matter if it is for browsing websites, reading ebooks, or going through PDF files. The LKKER mouse has smooth movement across the full screen. It works on small screens. Surely it would work on even bigger screens. Now Jim is using it as a remote for his TV. It's faster and more convenient than a regular TV remote. After all, LKKER mouse is all about problem solving and making your life better. Find out more on our fundraising page today.